Every volcano has a structure made up of several key parts. The magma chamber, a reservoir deep underground where magma collects. The vent, the pathway through which magma travels upward. The crater, a bowl-shaped depression at the summit. Lava flows, streams of molten rock that emerge during eruptions. Ash clouds. Explosive eruptions release gases, ash, and rock fragments high into the atmosphere. These parts work together like a pressure valve, allowing the Earth to release its inner heat.